Now departing is the 1623 direct rail service from Grimsby town to Bridlington. It's operating a network rail track cleaning service with BR Blue 37402 leading the way. I couldn't miss the opportunity to film some Class 37s. And a very filthy 37423 direct rails. It's the rail service off to Bridlington. A pair of class DRS class 37s with British Rail blue painted 37 leading the way. This was pretty rare. They're starting to do their leaf cleaning and weed killing services, so we should see some 37s and class 20s pretty often, like every day or once a week, I think. So yeah, that was going from Bridlington, Grimsby town to Bridlington. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. Please like, share and subscribe. My next station for train spotting will be Hull, which will be the next video, hopefully. The next big video. See you guys.